So here we are at the scenic Borst Park, feeding the ducks and the seagulls chicken and rice dog food, which is supposedly good for them, better than bread and stuff, but kind of sounds cannibalistic because it's chicken and rice. But since they flew all the way across the lake and swam all the way across the lake, whoa, quit hitting me with dog food. That's kind of rude. Will you quit? That's enough. That is not funny anymore. Yeah, that's why they're all laughing. And then nobody can park here because it's full of ducks. They're leaving. They didn't like the dog food? No. I think it's all gone. I don't see any. They ran out. Here comes some more ducks. Yeah, they heard. Well, anyways, we were gonna magnet fish down there on the fishing hole, but it looks like some people are really fishing, the kind with a fishing pole and a worm kind of fishing for fish.